Hey, welcome! If you've ever dreamt of adding stunning particle effects to your videos, fire, smoke, sparks, or even magical energy effects, Adobe After Effects is your gateway to a world of creative possibilities. With the right techniques, you can create visuals that elevate your videos to a whole new level, whether you're working on cinematic projects, gaming edits, or creative motion graphics. The potential is limitless, and it's all at your fingertips. Before we get into the fun part, let's make sure you have After Effects installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, there's a link in the description that will take you directly to Adobe's official site, where you can safely download the latest version. How to download and install Adobe After Effects. Once you follow the link, here's how to get set up. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't already have one, it only takes a minute. Find After Effects in the app list and select Free Trial to begin the download. Download and install Adobe Creative Cloud, which manages all Adobe apps, including After Effects. Once installed, launch After Effects, and you're ready to start creating. Now that it's up and running, let's discuss how to create eye-catching particle effects that can take your videos to the next level. Particles are used to create everything from realistic weather effects like rain and snow to more dramatic visuals like fire and explosions. Here's how to get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Go to Effects and Presets and search for CC Particle World. This built-in effect lets you generate dynamic particles. Apply the effect to a solid layer and adjust the settings to control particle type, size, speed, and gravity. For more advanced effects, tweak the physics settings to change how particles behave, whether you want them to float like dust or explode like sparks. To refine the look, add glow and color effects to blend the particles naturally into your scene. If you want even more control, third-party plugins like Trapcode Particular offer advanced particle simulations for a professional finish. With the right settings, you can create everything from realistic environmental effects to abstract sci-fi visuals that transform your footage into something cinematic. If you haven't downloaded After Effects yet, click the link in the description to get it now. That way you'll have access to all the tools you need to start creating amazing effects. If you know someone who wants to improve their video editing skills, share this video with them. You'll be helping them discover the power of particles in video editing. Learning how to use particles is a great way to add impact to any project, and by sharing this knowledge, you're contributing to their creative journey. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with particle effects, and I'll see you in the next one.